Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. And in our last video, we have discussed about the explanation of chapter number 7 and chapter name is A and N. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the worksheet of this chapter, that is chapter 7 and chapter name is A and N. So student, listen carefully. First of all, common exercise A, take the correct option. So student, here you have to take the correct option from the given options. Like you know that you have to use N with N before the vowel sound and A before the consonant sound. So student, you know that where you have to use A and N. Come on, first oyster. Here oyster start with O. So we use N before oyster. So you have to take N. Second, here watch. Here watch. W is a consonant. So we use A before watch. So in second, you have to take A. Now come on third, igloo. In igloo, I is the vowel. So we add N before the igloo. So here we have to take N. Now come on fourth, girl. Girl, in girl, G is the consonant. So we add A before girl. So you have to take A. Fifth, owl. In owl, O is a vowel. So you have to add N before owl. So student, you have to take N. Sixth, fan. In fan, F is a consonant. So student, you have to take A. You have to take A. Now come on 7. Ox. In ox, O is a vowel. So you have to use N before ox. So you have to take the N, A and N. Come on 8. Umbrella. Student, in umbrella, U is the vowel sound. So you have to add N before the umbrella. So here you have to take AN. Now come on, next exercise. Encircle the naming word before which AN can be used. Here you have to encircle those naming word which AN where we can use AN. Onion, tub, drum. Here we can use N before onion. So student, you have to circle onion. Now come on second. First bicycle, second banana, third eraser. So student, here we can use AN before eraser. So you have to circle eraser. Now come on third. This is the picture of elephant, cat and picture of apricot. So student, here we can use AN before elephant and apricot. So student, you have to circle elephant and apricot. Now come on next. Look at this picture. This is the picture of clown and this is the picture of octopus and next one is aeroplane. So student, here we can also use AN before octopus and aeroplane. So you have to circle octopus and aeroplane. So student, now come on exercise B. Fill in the blanks with A or N. So student, here you have to fill all the blank space with A or N. Come on first, X. Here X. In X, A is a vowel. So student, you have to fill the blank space with N. And here you have already filled. Second, bat. In bat, B is a consonant, so you have to add A before bat. Here A is already filled. Now come on third, ostrich. In ostrich, O is a vowel. So student, you have to add AN before ostrich. And here AN is filled. Already filled. Fourth, car. In car, C is a consonant. So student, you have to fill the blank space with A. Here A is already filled. Now come on fifth, doll. In doll, D is a consonant, so you have to fill the blank space with A. Now come on sixth, house. In house, H is a consonant sound. So student, before consonant letter, you have to use A. So here A is already filled. Now come on seven, giraffe. In giraffe, Z is a consonant sound. So student, before G, we use A. 8 number. Here, ant. In ant, A is a vowel. So student, before vowel, we can use AN. So we use AN before the ant. Here N is already filled here. Now come on next exercise. Come on next exercise. Write A or N before the naming words. Put a cross where A or N not required. So student, you know that A or N means 1. It means we use A or N before the naming word that are 1 in numbers. So when the numbers of things or animals is more than 1, then we cannot use A or N before this naming word. So you have to care about this. Now come on first, orange. Here orange is 1 orange. So in orange, O is a vowel. So you have to use AN before orange. And here AN is already filled. Second, here boxes. Boxes. It means there is more than one box. So here we cannot use A or N. So student, you have to put a cross. And here put a cross is already filled. Now come on third, clock. In clock, C is a consonant, and before consonant we use A. So here A is already filled. Now come on fourth, iron. In iron, I is a vowel. So student, before iron we use AN. Here AN is filled. Now come on fifth, nose. In nose, N is a consonant. So here we use A before nose, and here A is already filled. Now come on sixth, mango. In mango, M is a consonant letter. So student, here we use A before mango, and here A is already filled. Now come on seven, 6 cup. Means 6 cup, there is more than 1 cups, and we can use A and N for only one things, one person. So we cannot use A or N before 6 cups. So here student, you have to cross, and here cross is already done. Now come on 8, twice. Twice, here S add with twice, it means there is a more than one twice. So student, here we cannot use A or N before the twice. So student, here you have to put a cross before the twice. Now come on 9, ink pot. In ink pot, I is a vowel. So student, before the import we use an. Now come on 10th, aunt. So student, in aunt a is a vowel, so we use an before the aunt. And here an is already filled. Now come on, next exercise, student. Come on, next exercise. Write a or an before the describing word. So student, here you have to write a or an before the describing word. Old picture, here old picture. In old, O is a vowel, so you have to use an before the old picture, and here an is already filled. Now come on, second, new dress. In new dress, an is a consonant, so student, here we use a before the new dress, and here a is already filled. Now come on, third, red car. In red car, R is a consonant, so student, you have to fill a before the red car. Come on, fourth, ugly monster. In ugly monster, U is a vowel, so student, we use and before the ugly monster. Now come on, fifth, glass jar. In glass jar, G is a consonant, so student, we have to use a before the glass jar. Now come on, sixth, interesting book. In interesting book, I is a vowel, so student, here we use an before the interesting word. Now come on, seven, Indian boy. In Indian boy, I is a vowels, so student, we have to use an before the Indian boy, and here an is already written. Now come on, eight, small insect. In a small insect, S is a consonant, so student, before the small insect we have to use a. Now come on, next exercise. Fill in the blanks using a or an, put a cross where a or an is not required. So student, in this exercises you have to fill all the blank space with a or an and put a cross where a or an is not required. So student, you know that we use a or an for one person, for one animal, for one things, and we cannot use a or an for more than one person and more than one animal and more than one thing. So student, all these things you have to care about while doing this exercise. Now come on, first, Ram is dash a good boy. Here good boy. In good boy, Z is a consonant, so student, here we use a before the good boy, and here a is already written. Now come on, second, my father met dash old friend. So student, here old friend. In old friend, O is a vowel, so you have to use a and before the old friend. Now come on, third, I have 9 toys. So student, here toys, 9 toys means there is more than one toy. So student, here we cannot use a or an, so you have to put a cross before the 9 toys. Now come on, next page. Come on, fourth, do you have dash pen? So student, in pen, P is a consonant, so you have to use a before pen. Come on, fifth, this is dash book. So student, in book, B is the consonant, so you have to use a before book. Now come on, sixth, this is dash new book. So student, in new book, N is a consonant, so you have to use a before new book. Now come on, seven, that is dash old book. So student, in old book, O is a vowel, so you have to use an before the old book. Now come on, 8, I have dash many books. So student, we have to use here books is more than one books. There is a more than one books, it means many books. So we cannot use a or an for more than one things. So student, here you have to put a cross before the many books. Now come on, 9, father bought this ice cream for me. So student, here in ice cream, I is a vowel, so you have to use an before the ice cream. Now come on, 10, I love ice creams. So here student, ice creams ice creams. In ice cream, S is added. It means there is more than one ice cream. So student, here we cannot use A or N for ice cream. Here you have to put a cross before ice creams. So student, I hope you all understand about this exercises, and you have to done these exercises in your SW copy. So student, thank you.